Morning mga partners. So today demo tayo paano mag-request ng cash out. Okay, so i-click lang natin dito sa ating dashboard. Ito, yung dalawang arrow na ito, yan yung cash out request. Yan. So click natin. Okay, so request cash out. So ito, pindutin lang ninyo yan. Okay. Then withdraw cash. So dapat may laman yung cash wallet ninyo. Nakalagay dyan minimum is $2. Ayan, basahin po ninyo. The minimum amount you can cash out is $2 and there is a 10% processing fee. Ang 5% nyan mapunta sa banker, 5% sa system. So i-try natin for demo purposes. Mag-withdraw tayo ng $20. So GCash yung ating mode of payout. Okay, then Philippine peso. So mamili tayo ng banker. Ito mataas yung kanilang rate, si Ma'am Rosel Lizardo, yung banker natin from China. So i-click natin yan. So nakaselect. So 11,156 yung kanyang pondo. Okay, yung rate niya 58.60. Okay, then i-click natin yung itong arrow. Yan. Okay, naka 5 star na rin yung rate niya. So pag naka-cash out kayo, i-rating nyo ng 5 star yung mga nag-release ng cash out ninyo. So click natin. Yan. So may 1,054 akong aasahan kasi yung $20 ko mabawasan ng $2 na cash out fee. That's 10%. Okay, so yan yung ating GCash. Okay, then login password natin, ilagay natin, then confirm. Ganon lang. You successfully submitted a cash out request with the sum amounting to 20 through GCash. You will receive. Yan. So okay na yan, hintayin lang natin. So ganyan po mga partners. Ganyan lang po kadali mag-withdraw. I hope ay natutunan kayo sa ating tutorial.